Very good, my friends. Do you want to automate the lights on your room and you don't want to touch any wire? Then you need one SwitchBot. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the SwitchBot to automate the lights on my room and use them with Alexa. So when I wake up, I just need to say, Alexa, turn on the lights. And when I'm going to sleep, I'm going to say, Alexa, turn off the light, and I don't need to move when I'm very comfortable already on the bed. So let's see how we use this, because we need to install it on a regular switch. You will see. Okay, let's configure the SwitchBot. Okay, we are going to add a new device. Oh, I just removed the plastic from the battery and the system has detected my new bot here. That is magnific. I didn't have to do anything to add a new SwitchBot. I just need the Hub Mini, the SwitchBot Hub Mini, to be connected. Okay, let's configure it then. So already detected, we are going to change the name. So we are going to call it bedroom. A problem. So you listen that? It is working. We need to change the mode. We can select how many times it should press. Is it press mode? And we are going to change to switch mode because it's going to work on the switch mode. Okay. Okay. Now it's in switch mode. In press mode, the actuator is going to be stored in the home position and is going to press the button the seconds we configure, like in the video, and then it's going to come back to the home position. But in the mode that we are interested for this video is the switch mode. In the switch mode, the SwitchBot is going to have two positions, the position on and off. We can define what means on and off. In this case, now the SwitchBot is in off and we are going to ask to Alexa to turn it on. The SwitchBot is going to remain in on position until we tell Alexa to turn back to the off position. So now it's properly configured. As easy as that, has been detected automatically. We didn't need to search for anything. I just need to put the SwitchBot near to the SwitchBot Hub Mini. Okay, the switch now is connected to the internet, to the hub, so we can control it from here, but we want to connect it to Alexa. To do that, we click on config and then on cloud service, and we turn on the cloud service, and this will already register the SwitchBot on the Alexa service. Okay, you see here, I received the notification that now is connected. Okay, now it's linked. The only problem that I have now is that I cannot install it here, okay, because it's not going to press. There is a little margin here that is not going to work. I can put it here maybe, but I don't think it's going to grab very well, and also I will not be able to use this plug here. So I need a piece of wood or something. Okay, luckily enough, it came this extra pad that we can use to cut some object with this size to do the installation here. And this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to find some piece of something to put it here, maybe a piece of wood or something black. I have this piece of plastic, but it's not thick enough. Maybe I need 2 or 3 layers. Let's see. I'm going to cut it on the size of the SwitchBot. and install this, we need to turn it on, okay, like this, and push this pad here, okay, like this. Alexa, turn on the light.
¿Te refieres a bedroom?
Yes. Okay, great. This is perfect. So now we can remove the paper under here to stick this part. It is going to turn on off the light. Okay. Let's test it. Alexa, turn off the light.
¿Te refieres a bedroom?
Yes. Good. Alexa, turn on the light.
¿Te refieres a bedroom?
Yes. Perfect. Let's take a closer look. Alexa, turn off bedroom. Okay, it was too short. I have to cut it and put some silicone here to make it longer. So let's see now if it works, but the installation is not going to be easy or anything. Alexa, turn off the light.
¿Te refieres a bedroom?
Yes.
Lo siento, no he encontrado ningún dispositivo llamado Light.
Alexa, turn on the light.
¿Te refieres a bedroom?
Yes. Alexa, turn off bedroom. Okay, after around 1 hour playing with glue, plastic, with sticks, and with everything, finally I got it installed in, I don't know if this is going to last a lot. This is a Simon switch, okay, and you can see now that it's working, but let's see. Alexa, switch off bedroom. Okay, this is how it works. It's quite complex to install. In Spain, almost all the switches that I have seen are Simon, like this one. They have this surface here, so they are not flat, so are not very suitable to install the SwitchBot. You have to do a lot of experiments to put the SwitchBot. Okay, two recommendations if they want to improve the SwitchBot. They should put more of these sticks with longer and different length of the cable. Okay, the two of them that came in the kit were almost the same length, and they need to make this adjustable. The press position should be adjustable. Only if the press position is adjustable is enough, and also they can include some different pieces of plastic to put it at different distances. For Spain, SwitchBot for switch on the wall. If you have the standard Simon, it's not going to be very easy to install. Do you want to win two of these SwitchBots? You just need to go to my previous video, the one in the card here, take a look to the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on that video, and you will enter in a contest to win two of these SwitchBots. You will find more details about the contest on that video. I did the video about the washing machine, and in the washing machine I had no problem to install it because it was flat. You can take a look to the video in the card, but for the wall doesn't look very good. It took me a lot of time to install it. Maybe if you have different switches in your home, you can put it. If you have flat surface near to the switch and the switch is taller, the Simon switch is not very tall, and also it has a border and goes to the border, so not very suitable for this SwitchBot. For appliance, it works fine because for the washing machine and also for the dishwasher, I think it will work in my case to make them smart. But for the switches on the wall, no, I don't like it. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check the other videos about SwitchBot to see how to configure everything, the hub, everything you need. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.